Right, guys, so ABUS, guys, I know it's a bit early. I'm gonna start a bit slow here, but the plan on this one is a bit long term. So I'm gonna start out 370s, and then I'm gonna add 380s if it does come back up, and I'll add 385 as well. So my stop is over 390s, guys. So adjust your positioning according to that stop. That's the plan for this. For ABUS, I'm gonna start slow here, 370. Add around 378 80s, and then maybe add 385s. 3 times I'm gonna add to it. And then once it starts confirming for more weakness, I'll probably add more to it. So yeah. Also keep a close eye on ATOS, guys. The same plan. We're sticking to the same plan as before. I did mention if it does come back up to 745, 750s, and if it starts to hold, that 750 needs to hold. We've got a trade there. And yeah, ABUS is looking good. We want the lows to break. 365s needs to break. So wait for that, guys. Right, ATOS, interesting, guys. It's coming up to our level, 745s to 750s. When I talk about level, guys, it's not just one price. It's like a zone. Just remember that it could be 5 cents off zone. So this is our zone from 745s to 750s, even 755s. That's the area we want to be like considering something. That's the area I'll be interested in it. So as you can see, 745s completely rejected it. 743s, 44s. So this looks good, guys. I'm gonna keep an eye on this and start trading this, guys. The the stop on ATOS, guys, probably 760s. But I am keeping a mental stop on it, so ideally 760s. So I adjust your positioning according to the stop. So I'm short on ATOS, guys. I'm short on ATOS. I'm starting small. But if it does come back to 745s, 750s even, and if it starts to hold again, I'll add to it, just as we discussed on ABUS. ABUS at the moment is not acting as I would expect it to. Yeah, but then again, guys, this was a very small trade. So there we go, ATOS. We want this ATOS to the follow through to come in the next few minutes, hopefully. SPY is also washing, but not. It looks like a bad wash, but it's not a very strong wash. But still, SPY is washing, so that should add a little bit of confidence to the shorts. Yeah, that's a good successful wash. That's what you call a wash. Yep. So our shorts should be looking good. Alright, guys, so we've got just a reminder, guys, I've got 2 trades running. One small ABUS trade around 368s, and then I've got ATOS. Let me check the price. 350s. Sorry, not 350s. 732s on this area. So ABUS working nicely, breaking down. Nice one. ABUS, let's go. That's lovely. Our stop on ABUS 373, guys. Right, highs of the previous at the highs of previous high. So 360s, we're hitting 360s around 10 cents at the moment. To be honest, with these small stocks, 10 cents is quite a bit as well. It's only $3 stock, guys. Just remember that. Don't expect too much, like dollars. If it gives me 20-30 cents, that's more than enough, because I can buy quite a lot of shares on it. Compared to something like hundreds of dollars worth of stocks, it's just yeah. So if it does go to 360s, guys, I will take some off. 360s, I'll take some off. Alright guys, ATOS I might add here on the break of this 720s, guys. I might add here. Depends, I might add some. I'm just trying to read the level 2s here. Alright, I've added a little bit on ATOS. I've added a little bit. Right. Okay, ATOS. Let's continue. So what I want now is a follow through, breaking the 7s. If it does come back and starts hitting 7s, that's actually our thesis will be in play. But if it starts to come back up and starts to break these high 745s, I'll be a bit worried. Now that 750 area, I wouldn't wait for 750 areas. I'll probably get out at 745s, 46s. So your stop could be now at 746, 47s. ABUS, maybe I should add some sort of something that actually can show where the prices were when we entered. So maybe I could add an arrow. Yeah, so we were looking at shorting this thing. Extra large, is that gonna make a big difference? Yeah, that's kind of like our entry there on ABUS, our entry there, and our stop would be right now, would be right here. That's our stop, guys. Alright, and we want to take some out at 360s, 360s, and we've got the same thing going with a similar scenario here. I'll show you. Extra large, set as default. Alright, so my trade here, 730s, I believe. 732s, yeah. So that was the trade on ATOS. And I've got around, yeah, my average is actually a bit lower now. 728s, yep. So there we go, ATOS working nicely for us. We're getting some wash here. We want this to continue, break this at least 705s. And then we have a problem with 7s, so we will take some out before 7s. In fact, at the lows we might take some out. It's actually a good idea to take some out here. Our stop still is at the highs, recent highs, guys. Yeah, we got 745s as a stop. Okay. So both trades are doing really well. Not extremely well. Ideally, what I wanted from ABUS to actually wash a bit more, close to 350s. If it did wash to 350s, that would have been ideal, but I'll take 360s as well. Okay, ATOS, guys, let's keep an eye on this one. Yes, I'm ready to take some out, guys. Okay, get ready to take some out. Get ready to take some profit, guys. Bank in some profit just before 7. Yep, good, looking good. Okay, guys, stop comes back to break even. Stop to break even, and you've got a runner. Right, so first trade, nice successful winner. We've got 730s to 7. I've got my exit exactly at 7 actually. So 30 cents, not bad. If you have traded 100 shares, which is quite easy on these guys, that's $30. 1,000 shares, $300, guys. I usually trade in thousands, guys. So if you taken, for example, half off, that's $150. Not bad. Not too bad for the first 10-15 minutes of the open. And you know, you could be trading these thousands of shares and tens of thousands of shares because it's low price stocks, guys. $7 stock, $3 stock. I'm waiting for ABUS to do something, guys. On this one, it's 10 cents. Yes, the partial is 10 cents, but your risk is like 5 cents or 4 cents. 370s to 370. That's 4 cents, guys. So risk to reward, you're already getting like 3 to 1. Take some out, guys, if you can. 350s. Oh, there we go. Okay, taking some out. Taking some good wash, guys. Take some out. 355. Yep. Awesome stuff. There we go. 355 wash. We took some out. That's lovely. I was about to actually take 360s, but that's a good wash. I'll take that. And then now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm not gonna leave this at break even. I'm gonna bring it down to 365s. So still I have some winner, even if it does come back and take me out. So ABUS, nice trade. And ATOS is looking good as well, guys. So if these two gives me a good runner for my partials, the remaining amounts, then that'll be it for me, guys. 2 trades, 100% success rate. I don't have to sort of work too hard to actually start looking for things that might not be there. It's just all about when to stop trading as well, guys. A lot of people think, oh, I'm in the zone, I'm in the, I'm doing well. They start to be very careless, and they start to put on risks that that normally they wouldn't. So it's just all so we got to be careful that, if we have few winners, we don't want to sort of go into a trade where we just don't have a good setup. I mean, obviously, if there is something that comes up, really nice setup, obviously I will. Okay, ABUS, guys. This is looking real good. For a $3 stock, guys. From 370s to 350s. That's 20 cents. That is almost 10% move. No, less than 10%, but you get the idea, guys. It's really good. And almost, guys, it's almost about to remember I talked about this being all day fader, filling the gap. So 340s is the gap, in fact 345. So it's already filled. In my opinion, this already has filled the gap, guys. This has already filled the gap. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take everything off on this. So ABUS for me it's a successful trade. I'm taking everything off now. Alright, done. So ABUS, guys, all out from 370s to 350s. I'm done with this because I do feel like from 350s there's a bounce coming, guys, and I don't want to be in it. Alright, ATOS, let's go. ATOS, let's go, guys. ATOS, broken 7. This is beautiful, acting really nice. We want to keep watch on this. I'm gonna start taking some off as well at 680s. I'm watching level 2, guys, closely. Plus also, guys, if you want to be aggressive with your stop, the rest 712, bring your stop down to 712s from break even. At least you have like 15 cents just in case if it takes you out. What you don't want to do is you want to give up all the way from 688s to 727s when it does bounce back. So I am waiting for this low to break again so I can actually take wait for another wash. I am waiting for another wash. Right, let's go. Right, come on, 682s. we want to see 680s breaking actually.